Hey guys, how's it going? So apologies over the last video. I'm going to get into that in a minute here, but I'm going to jump right into this. You're going to want to go right here on the map. As you see the little exclamation mark for the job, that's the closest waypoint right above it. You have ones all over the place, so just go to whatever's the closest. As you can see, this is right in the corner of Vista del Rey inside of Haywood, almost on the border of the other city towards the left. So once you guys make it over here to this spot, what you're going to want to do is go inside of this very sketchy looking alley, like the kind of alley your parents tell you to avoid. But in this case, we want to go in here because there's free candy. So let's go ahead and go inside of this sketchy alley. Behind these sketchy dumpsters, you're going to find a sketchy dead body with a really nice weapon. Pick up that really nice weapon, and now the really nice weapon is going to start talking to you. So I'm going to skip past all of this to avoid any spoilers. Now eventually, you're going to get to this part. You're going to want to select Puppy Loving Pacifist mode. Now this is going to suck because you're going to need to get at least 50 kills and a certain amount of in-game time played. Now, I was probably a good hour and a half, 2 hours of in-game time using this weapon along with over 50 kills when it finally permanently locked me into headshot mode. The reason why you don't want to select headshot mode now is because if you select it now, it's going to permanently lock you into Puppy Loving Pacifist mode later on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video and skip over to the part to where it brought up the dialogue for me to go into permanently Stone Cold Killer mode. So when you guys get here, you're going to want to select what I select. You want to select anything for the first dialogue option, and then for the next dialogue option, I don't believe it's going to matter a whole lot on what you guys select. So this popped up for me after 2 hours of real time playing this game and getting over 50 kills. So make sure you guys do something around there. You might be able to get away with just doing the 50 kills and then advancing the time by a couple days in the in-game time menu. I'm not 100% sure. But any second now, it's going to go ahead and tell me it's going to permanently lock me into Stone Cold Killer mode. This gun is extremely overpowered as it's headshots only, and it has over 2 times headshot multiplier, and it scales with the user's level. And that's it. It's as simple as that. This is how you get the best weapon in the game that in my opinion is probably the most overpowered weapon in the game that needs a nerf, because in all honesty it makes the game not really all that fun. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more Cyberpunk content. I have a lot of tutorials I could be making on Cyberpunk of little things you may not have known about. But that's going to be about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.